Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will be talking about Microsoft Excel, which is one of the most popular spreadsheet software used by millions of people around the world. And we will also learn how to calculate the present value, future value, number of year and rate and by using Microsoft Excel. So without any further ado, let's get started. To calculate the future value, the present value, interest rate and number of year will be given. We just have to calculate the future value. To calculate the future value, we know a formula. Formula is summation equals sign, then FB and first bracket, and now we need rate is 9% here. Click on this 9% and comma NPER means number of year. Here is the number of year is 5. Click on this 5 and payment PMT means payment. We don't have any payment, so we can skip these things. We can write down here 0 again comma, and PV will be in negative sign, like a negative sign, and PV is 8000. Click on this 8000 and comma, and we need type. Actually to calculate the future value, we don't need any type, so we can skip these things and close the first bracket and hit enter. Oh sorry, the column is small. Here you can see the future value is already here. Now we will calculate the present value. To calculate the present value, the future value, interest rate and number of year will be given. We just have to calculate the present value. To calculate the present value, the formula is summation PV and first bracket, and now we need rate is 9%. Click on this 9% and comma and now we need NPER means number of year is 5. Click on this 5 and again payment. We don't have any payment, so we can write down here 0 and comma, and FB is in negative sign, and FB is 12,000. Here we can see. Now type, we don't need any type to calculate the present value, so you can skip these things and now hit close the bracket and now hit enter. The present value is 8000. Now we'll calculate the interest rate in Microsoft Excel. To calculate the interest rate in Microsoft Excel, the present value, future value and number of year will be given. To calculate the rate, we need a formula. The formula is equal sign, then rate, first bracket start here, number of year 5, and now comma, and we don't have any payment, so 0 comma, and FB is 8000. Click on this cell, comma, future value will be negative sign, so negative sign, and then FB. Now we can close the bracket, hit enter. The number of the rate is here. Now we will calculate the number of year in Microsoft Excel. To calculate the number of year on the present value, future value and interest rate will be given. We just have to calculate the number of year. To calculate the number of year, the formula is equal sign, then NPER number of year, and first bracket started. Now we need rate is 9%, and then comma, we need payment. We don't have any payment, so we can skip this, like 0 and comma, now we need present value. The present value is 8000. Click on this cell and comma, now we need future value, and the future value will be in negative sign, so in negative sign, then future value and again comma. Now we need the payment type, so we don't have any type, so like hit 0 and close the bracket and hit enter. The formula, like the number of year is 4.99, like it's almost 5.